What's good, QK Dynasty? We back here with another video, another reaction. We got this reaction called
Angry Grandpa, the cat food burrito prank. Didn't he pass away? Angry Grandpa?
I think about 2.5 years ago. Yeah,
well, this was 2020.
Yeah, that's the ones he re-uploaded.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, 2-3 years ago, I think.
I should make a burrito.
Yeah, because I got some meat in there, baby.
I ain't gonna say what I was about to say.
You know what? Never mind. I'm about to say something. And I got something to give to you.
We are recording.
I didn't say nothing.
It ain't hard to put it together. Let's go.
So today I'm going to teach Dad a lesson in taking what doesn't belong to you. You don't take things that don't belong to you. And that includes Taco Bell that is brought to your house. How am I going to teach him a lesson? Well, simple. I'm going to tell him he can't have any. He's probably going to take it anyway because that's what he does. Only he's not going to realize it's loaded with cat food. This is the cat food burrito.
Oh, this is going to be sick.
That's deep. That's when you fed up. But somebody taking your shit. Like,
Oh, this is gross.
God.
At least
I hope you remember which one you did that shit to.
I know, right?
Don't you know better than to take what doesn't belong to you, Dad? So there will be a beef and beef.
Taco Bell is disgusting.
Hey.
That don't even look.
Oh, God.
This Pittsburgh looks like bean dip.
I know.
What the hell?
Oh.
Why does cat food look like that?
Oh my goodness.
Like mush.
Yeah, it does.
I like cats eat like tuna.
That's how they look.
Oh, I thought they food looked like tuna, but wouldn't that smell different?
You again.
What's up, Pop? Just came over to hang out.
Why?
But knowing him.
got?
So he gonna bring it
in.
in the house and set it in front
It ain't
of him.
breakfast either. Burritos and shit.
Well, goddamn, you bring me anything?
You don't want none of that.
Oh, y'all bring y'all food, you don't bring me nothing.
You don't want any of this.
How the hell you know I don't want any?
Dude, the meat, like,
I
I don't
would've
know, it's just
got
like
those
cat
set
food
up
or something.
That's because of Taco Bell, man. Goddamn. Give me one.
Nah, you don't want it.
Give me a goddamn.
I'm telling you, it's disgusting. It tastes like cat food.
Give me one.
He already said it.
Damn it. Hungry.
He giving a real one.
Well, goddamn. It's cold.
It ain't that cold.
It's still warm.
You like the soft tacos, don't you?
Alright.
So he gonna go right in. He
I'm about to say he aggressive as hell.
He ain't gonna really smell it.
That's what
He
you
gonna warm up cat food, but that's still the good one.
That's still a good one.
Why do you feel me eating this shit?
Because I'm doing a daily vlog.
Shit, how does I hate when that shit happens.
Mom.
Especially if it smells good.
Good.
You
That's,
ready
I
to
know
eat
that's first instinct. You.
Yeah, he do this fart.
Not a good taco.
He can fart on command. That's just crazy.
You got plenty more in here if you're still hungry.
Damn right. I ain't even heard nothing. Give me one.
Are you sure you want to eat it?
Damn right.
Yeah, damn, you gotta eat the paper.
Are you still chewing this shit?
Fuck, Michael.
What the fuck, Michael?
What's
Why
wrong
is he
with it?
still eating this shit?
What is this shit? What is this shit, Michael?
What do you mean? It's Taco Bell.
I can't watch him throw up.
He just bite right into it.
Oh my god, I hate this sound.
What's wrong? What's wrong with it?
Oh my god, yo.
That dude was hell. He gonna take another bite after that, though.
Oh my gosh.
I mean, I don't get it. What is that? What kind of meat is that? It's meat. What kind of meat is that? What?
And he gonna eat your...
Pork.
What is it? I guess that. God.
Yeah, he fired.
Well, the verdict's in. Dad does not like the new Taco Bell pork taco.
I don't know nothing. He just said this and that.
Something talking
Daddy,
about.
goddamn Taco Bell! You look at them goddamn pork shit! Then fuck you! You made me sick! I need to taste the real one. Give me a taste of a real one.
He gonna give me a taste of the real
Burrito
one.
Supreme.
Those are so good.
Please look at it first. Please look at it first.
Mild.
Don't give me another. I like
Please look at it
He
first.
just gonna go with.
Please.
Ooh, that looks good.
Oh, that's the cat food, boy.
Mm-hmm.
He
Like,
said,
that's
"Oh, that
why
look
he
good."
switched down.
I like plain sauce.
Boy, he about to be in the bathroom forever.
Now that looks good.
I don't see how he trusts him after he just got to eating that shit.
He probably think it's Taco Bell that had that
Fucking
shit.
store.
This is the extra beanie one.
That shit
Damn, man, load
looks
that
like... Thank you. Spit it out.
What the fuck?
That shit looks like it's...
What the?
Throw something at his ass. That shit looks like...
That was nasty as hell. All smushed up. That joke is bad aftertaste too.
Oh, it looks like a diaper.
I hope y'all really make you go
Oh
take
my
that.
God.
Oh,
You look like baby caca.
this is disgusting.
Bro, we got them Palm oranges.
The burrito was gonna look. You what? It's cat food.
Boy, you about to be on the toilet.
I'll tell you, goddamn pussy. I warned you. I hate you. Do I look like a goddamn cat? Do I look like a goddamn? I don't
Right.
purr, you motherfucker. I don't purr.
Right.
I thought you would like it.
He said, I don't purr.
Goddamn cat food. I don't eat goddamn cat food.
Throw it at his ass. Throw it at him. I would throw that shit at his ass.
And what is this?
Smear that shit in his face.
That wasn't no goddamn pork shit. That was goddamn cat food too. It was both cat food or both of them. Goddamn cat food. Motherfucker. Oh, it stinks. Oh, goddamn. Hey, Michael, you give me cat food, get what? I'll give you
Oh, shit.
He took a whole taser out.
I'm about to light y'all ass the fuck up. Don't run now.
Come here, Michael.
Get that man damn cat food.
He said, come here, Michael.
I'm sorry.
I agree with him. That is
I'm
girl.
sorry.
Nah, fuck that. Tase his ass.
Come and get your woman, Michael.
He just like that. Leave his girl in there.
I ran outside. Nah. I need a grandpa like that in my life.
Huh?
I need a grandpa like that in my life. I need just the right amount of craziness.
And Grandpa don't play that shit.
I agree with him though. You can make cat food, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
He said, I don't purr.
I would ready to do something to you. I thought you were gonna at least marry and do face something. Like I would have to get you. You got me, I gotta get you back.
Well, I hope y'all like the video. Make sure y'all like, subscribe. We'll holler at y'all later.